Hi everybody, I am so sorry. I just went live without informing you guys. I'll let Instagram tell my followers that I've started a live video and I'll wait for you guys to come in. I forgot to inform you. I was actually um, I just finished one live and I wasn't really in the mood, but I thought I'll just come and talk to you guys for a bit. How are you guys doing? What is up? Excuse the mess that I am. I'm sweating a lot, so bad choice to wear a hoodie in this weather, but I'm obsessed with hoodies. I think I might take a few requests. So keep your cameras on. I might take a few requests. I'll look for you guys here. Yeah, I'm just waiting for more people to join in. Tell me what is up. How are you guys doing? How is your lockdown been? What happened? You are totally wet. Yes, I was dancing. So I was sweating a lot and I have still not stopped sweating. So that is why I'm wet. Okay. What have you been up to during the lockdown? I've been watching a lot of shows, reading books here and there, not watching as many movies, but Netflix has a lot of new OTT releases, even Amazon Hotstar, so there's good content coming out. So I'm glad. Love from Saudi, love from India, big love from India. Okay, should we take requests now? I hope I get a few good ones. Um, I'll take Meera Nair. Get her on my IG. Meera Nair. Meera Nair declined. Meera Nair declined. Meera Nair, you broke my heart. Never mind, moving on. Uh, okay, where do I see requests? Meera Nair has completely, she got me off guard. So I don't know what to do now. Meera Nair, very bad. Uh, okay, here we have, who else do I pick? Mm, I'll pick Sumi Nazir. Please don't decline me, Sumi Nazir. Please. Sumi Nazir also declined. Wow. Wow, this is the best live you guys have ever seen. Everybody's declining me. I've never felt worse. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Remove your dress. Hey, Asad, get out of my life. Don't say all these things on my live. Remove your dress. Yuck. Who are you people? What are you watching? Oh God. Cleanse. I need to cleanse myself. Okay. I'm looking for more questions/requests. I also stay in Kalyan. Hi Sneha. Hi Sneha Gardas. Yes, Kalyan is lit. I think during the lockdown, I'm realizing it's a good decision to stay in Kalyan because it's peaceful, it's calm, it's quiet, and I love my house here. It's a nice, we have a good big space here. And in Bombay, I wouldn't have had that. So I'm glad that I'm here in Kalyan. So grateful. Thank God I never moved to Bombay. I would have had a very small house because ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಾಸಿಲ್ಲ ಇಪ್ಪೋ or a Persa house to buy a Persa house. So I'm glad I stayed back in Kalyan. Working from home and though it's boring, but feeling comfy. Guhan_Ram. Yes, I know, right? So good to just wear a hoodie or just wear a shirt and wear shorts because nobody can see you on Zoom. I mean, nobody can see what you're wearing below. So it's nice. I like it too. I'm reading more questions. Just give me a second. Ritika, I love you. Please reply. Hi, Albin Joseph. I love you. Hello, Ritika. Happy Independence Day. Hi, Happy Independence Day. Oh, yeah. Happy Independence Day, guys. Jai Hind. Okay, there are people saying in the comments, I will accept. I will accept. Okay, I'm sending you a request. Please accept. My life depends on this now. Okay, let us take Candy Chandu. Candy Chandu, please don't decline me. Waiting for Candy Chandu. I'm hoping Candy Chandu answers. Candy Chandu, please. Oh my God, Candy Chandu answered, guys. But I cannot see Candy Chandu. Oh God. What is this? I feel so power. I'm so power. I cannot see anybody. If somebody is answering, I'll have to cancel this. And sorry, Candy. I'll see you next time. But so glad that you answered. Thank you so much. I feel very important. I'll pick someone else. Okay. Let's pick. I'll pick a boy now. It's boy time. I'll pick Being Lingaraj Kalyan. I'm hoping you answer my request. Waiting for Being Lingaraj Kalyan to answer our request. Will he answer? He has answered. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I like the stairs behind you. You have a very nice house.
Thank you, ma'am.
How's it going? What's up? How's the lockdown treating you?
Lockdown has made me lose some weight, actually.
Oh, that's nice. What have you been doing? What exercises have you been doing?
Not as such in exercise. I've been doing intermittent fasting.
Oh my God, wow. I've never tried that because I get hungry very often and I love food too much, but wow, mad respect. Is it worth trying? Should
So,
I
ma'am,
try it too?
yeah, you should, ma'am, but because it is very good by not ignoring the foods which are very healthy.
Okay.
So it's very good.
I think I will do some research. I will read up on it and maybe give it a go someday. So where are you from?
I'm from South, ma'am.
South, where?
North Karnataka.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yes.
Sari, nice to meet you. Thank
So
you for
what are
answering
your
my
future
request.
projects, ma'am?
Sorry?
Ma'am, what are your future projects?
I have a few lined up. I had one, but that got cancelled. But I have like 3, I guess. I don't remember correctly, but I think 3, 4 I have. Kandipa, sure. Okay, thank you so much for answering my call. It was nice talking.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Keep doing what you do.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, he answered my call. I am pumped. Moving on to the next one with a lot of hope in my heart. Let's call the next person. I mean, let's invite the next person. Ritika Singh FC is here. I'm sure Ritika Singh FC will answer. They are my sisters from Singapore. And I'm sure they'll answer. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, girls. Hi, I can't see you.
Shit. I off my cam, so we are like sick. I mean, I'm sick, so I can't show my face.
Oh, what happened?
We're just at home. I'm sick, so
I
nothing
really
much.
wanted to see you. Like, you're the one person, you are the 2 people I wanted to see, and you're not showing me your face, but it's okay. I understand. I understand your problem. But how's it going? What's up? What are you guys doing?
We're just home and it's quarantine is over here, so we're just like relaxing at home, binging stuff, waiting for school to start.
What are you watching right now?
We just finished the Gunjan's. Oh my god, I can't pronounce. But
Gunjan Saxena.
yeah, we just
Oh,
finished.
you watched
that
it?
movie.
How was it?
It was so good. Super
Should I watch
good.
it too?
Yes, super good.
Okay.
It's really
So can I
good.
watch it with
Yeah.
my family? Are there any, you know what I mean?
No.
Okay.
No.
So I can watch it with my family, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
I
Perfect.
think it's just a biopic.
Okay. Because my parents look
Yeah.
at me like this. Or they won't look at all. When they don't look at all is when I know I'm in danger. So
What have you been watching?
Sorry?
What have you been watching?
I'm watching Jane the Virgin.
Oh my god, yes.
Okay, I'm team Michael too. I think season 1 I was team Raphael. Now I'm team Michael. I am team Michael.
Yeah, and like there's a lot of stuff waiting.
Yeah, but how good looking is this guy, Raphael? Oh my god.
Yeah,
I
he's
keep
Italian,
rewinding
I
his
think.
scenes all the time. I'm obsessed.
Yeah, I think Italians, they look super good.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Other than that, are you watching anything else?
No, that's it. I'm waiting to watch this reality show called Selling Sunset. I've watched the 2 seasons.
Mm-hmm.
Third season is just I think it's just aired, so I want to catch up on that. But Jane the Virgin is priority now, so I'm going to finish that and start watching the other shows.
Yeah, good. I'm trying to call my sister, but she's not coming in. Divya! Oi! Yeah, she.
Never mind, if she doesn't come now, we'll talk later.
Okay.
Because
Yeah,
I have other
okay.
callers to take. But I'm so glad you
Yeah,
answered. And next time, I hope I can see your face. And whenever I'm in Singapore next, I'll definitely text you guys and we have to meet up.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye
Love
bye.
you.
Take
Bye.
care.
Give my love to
Bye.
Divya.
All right. Bye.
And take care. Bye bye.
Take care.
That was Ritika Singh FC. They are the most amazing sisters from Singapore and they are my sisters. And they run a fan club for me. I think they've been with me since Iriri Sutra released. And they are just the most beautiful people. Okay, I am adding. I'm glad this is going well. You guys are answering. Wow, it feels good. I'll take. Okay, let me look for more requests. There are a lot of requests. I'm going to try and pick one. Some display pictures are very difficult to judge. So I'm going to try and pick the right one. Okay, I just picked somebody. Sadikul. Sadikul, please answer. I'm calling you. Oh, Sadikul is connecting.
Hello?
Hi, I can't see you.
Hello?
Hello, I can't see you. Hi.
Hello?
Hello, I can't see you. And too many people are talking at the same time.
Hello, ma'am?
Hello. I can't see you and I can't hear you. One person speak.
Hello? Hello, ma'am?
How are you, madam?
Hello. Na po rahe hain. I had to cancel that. I couldn't hear what they were saying. There were a couple of boys there. Okay, now let's take some questions. Love from Kerala. Oh my Kadavle, my repetitive favorite. Hey, thank you, Dreamless. AK, I love Kerala too. We were there for Kadai Poma's shoot, the song, the bike song. And my God, what a place, what a beautiful place. I've already been there once before. I'd been to Munnar and all these places when I was very young. And revisiting again was beautiful. So thank you so much. Somebody in the comments is saying Binod. Oh my God, these Binod comments are everywhere on YouTube. My head hurts reading Binod. God knows who Binod is, but whoever this man is, my God, God bless him. You are so beautiful. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you too. Okay, I'm taking requests again. Let's take Pooja. Pooja 0202. Pooja SD 0202. Waiting for Pooja. I hope she accepts. I think there's a connection problem. Declined. Pooja declined. Another heartbreak. I'm sad. Okay, I have a few more requests. Let me take them. Oh, let's take Pasupati. He also has a fan club that he runs for me. He's been very loyal and he's amazing, and I've met him in person. Very, very kind. Very, very sweet, and we're connecting. Hey! Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am. You?
I'm good. You look different.
What?
You look different from the last time I met you. You look different.
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Now you can see
I
me.
can see you. Yes. How are you? How are you doing? What's up?
Yeah, I'm fine, ma'am.
Your birthday is coming. No, what plans for your birthday?
Yes, ma'am. 21.
Yeah, advance
I'm
happy
waiting. I'm
birthday.
waiting from your call. I'm waiting
Call
from your
எனக்கு
call.
தெரியாது ஆனா நான் உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் கண்டிப்பா பண்றேன். Call தெரியாது
I
எனக்கு.
think. Yeah.
Okay, what is
When
up?
you come Chennai, ma'am.
Sorry?
When you come Chennai.
I don't know. I was supposed to come, but something got cancelled, so I will come later. I think there's noise from your side. I'll hang up now.
Oh,
I'll
it's
talk to
fan.
you later. Okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care. I had to hang up Pasupati's video because there was some noise in the video. So we'll take somebody else. I'll take a few more requests and then I'll go. Oh, we have Mansi here. Mansi dubbed for me. She's Anu's voice in Oh My Kadavle. And she's amazing. She even sung that song. Gangama, Mangama. She sung that song. She's amazing. Hey!
Hi!
Hi, what's up?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Oh my god, you look so pretty. I love your hair.
Come on, look who's talking. You, I was just talking your curly hair photo right now and I was showing my sister. Look how pretty her hair looks. I wish
Thank
mine
you.
was like her.
No, your hair is beautiful. How are you doing? What is up?
I'm doing well. How are you? You tell me.
I'm doing okay. Some off days, some good days, some off days, but I'm managing. I like
Awesome. I just saw you go live on Insta, and then I don't know why I just hit on the request button to go live with you. And so nice of you to actually accept it. Thanks.
no, I've been having some declines because I've been accepting calls and people are declining. So I'm like, oh my god, like there's major heartbreak happening. So I'm glad that you answered.
I'm sure people are like intimidated. They're like, "Oh my God, she accepted. What would I say now?" And then they don't know what to say.
No, but it's still I like talking to people. I've done this before, but a lot of people kept declining. So I was like, maybe
This is
not
my
do it again.
first, just so you know.
This is your first Instagram, like a live thing.
No, this is the first time I've requested to go live with someone, and
Hey.
it just
We
like
have
it
a
had to happen with
winner.
you.
I was just telling everybody that you were the one who dubbed for Anu, and you are Anu's voice, and you also sung Rangama Mangamma.
Yeah, and I sang Friendship Anthem for you,
Oh
remember?
yeah, friendship anthem also.
Yeah.
A lot of people, in fact, they drop comments on YouTube. They send me messages saying, "Who was the girl who dubbed for you? Who was that girl? Because she matches your voice and the vibe was so similar." And I was like, "That is Mansi." Why
Ah,
am I
how
talking with a
sweet.
lipstick in my hand? But that is Mansi.
Thank you. I'm so glad it worked out so well because when I first went for the dub test, I was so looking forward to do it, and then I really I put in my heart and soul because
Yeah.
you had done such a beautiful job already.
Thank
So
you.
I had to give in like my 300-400% to do justice to whatever you'd done. And of course, your director was so specific
Yeah.
about
He
what
told
he
me that.
wanted.
He told me he
Yeah.
tested quite
I
a
mean,
few
you
people.
with your dialogues and everything, you were just so on point, and I
Thank
had
you.
so much fun
Thank
doing
you.
your
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, you
doing
were
the dubbing
brilliant.
for you.
I think I've had an hour-long call with Mansi telling her how amazing she was. I think remember I was at the airport, Bangalore airport, and I called you.
Yeah, yeah.
My God.
I just randomly called me. It was really sweet of
Mansi's.
you to taken my number from Ashwath, and then you just called me and say hello, pehchana. It took me a few seconds to to kind of like wrap my head around the fact that you had actually called me. But it was so
No,
sweet
you're
of you
too
to
sweet.
actually call and say you did a good job, and I
But
really
you
felt
were that
great that
good.
you made my day.
I couldn't have done anything else. Like a message would not have sufficed for what you've done. Honestly, so good. You took my performance from here to here. Genuinely a fan.
Thank you so
So
much.
good.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to see what else you have in store in the future, and I can't wait to dub for you again.
I will make everybody say, call Mansi for my dub. Like, she's the most reliable. She's my voice caller.
My life though is made. Thank you,
Okay, Sally,
thank
I
you.
think I'll have to get the windows. There's a lot of noise outside because of the rain. And I'll also
It
take
was
some other
lovely
callers.
talking to you, Ritika, and
Thank
also
you. Same
to
here.
all your I mean, on behalf of all your fans and all your followers, we love you. We love your work. We love the posts that you put up online and all the content. It's so real. It's so
Aw.
relatable. And wishing you all the very best and
Thank
hoping to
you.
work so much more in future with you.
Thank
Sing
you, Anu.
and
You
dub
were
for
really
you.
sweet. You made my day. Thank you so much. Genuinely.
All right. See you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye. Bye. Okay, guys, let me just go get the window. I'll be back in a minute. Till then, you send me requests and I'll accept a few more. I'm back. Let's do this. Lots of love from Malaysia. Lots of love from India. Thank you. I'm unable to read the questions because I'm looking for requests. But there are so many. Thank you so much for sending in so many requests, guys. I'm going to try and get some more. Let's get able to join Bhargavi Kalidas. Bhargavi, is that you? Is that the Bhargavi I know? Wow, I just
Hello.
randomly picked Bhargavi and it is Bhargavi. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. So good to see you. I just randomly picked your name and while you were connecting, I was like, wow, this is Bhargavi.
Exactly. I was like, okay, I want to send you a request because it's been so long since I actually
It
spoke to
has been
you.
ages. I'll just
How
tell
have you
everybody
been?
how I know you.
Brilliant. I just before anything, I loved your job. Oh my god, it's
Thank
brilliant.
you. Thank
It's
you.
really nice.
Thank,
Awesome. So nice to see you.
thank you, Same. I'll just tell everybody how I know you. So when I was doing Shivlinga, Bhargavi was my dialogue teacher. She used to take care of my lines and my dialogues, and she has helped me more than that. Like she helped me with my personal issues, with my clothes, with my makeup, with my garments, with everything. She was so nice. She was so kind, and she's just the best. And I'm so happy to see you today.
Same here, same here. Trust me, guys, I have to tell this to your fans. I worked with a lot of people, but Ritika, I tell you, she's brilliant, man. She's just brilliant, down to earth. Such a sweetheart you are. Such a sweetheart. Your professionalism to the max you are.
Thank you,
No
thank you,
one can
thank
beat
you,
you in that.
thank you.
So glad to see you.
Same here. I think we haven't spoken in ages.
Yes, actually, after 2016 or 17.
Yeah. We
But
lost
I,
touch.
I, I keep a track on your posts. I keep following your posts and everything.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Bhargavi. I think there's a connection problem from your side or my side. There's a
But
lag.
anyways, it was so like nice talking to you. Lovely.
Thank you. Thank you, Bhargavi. I'll text you in a bit.
Stay the
If you
same.
have my
And
number,
we love
I'll
you.
send
We
you a
love
message.
you.
Bye.
Will
I
do.
love you.
Will do.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Wow, I'm meeting such sweet people today. I'm feeling so good interacting with human beings after so long, and I'm meeting some people I've met before, but I've lost touch with them through Instagram Live. So, wow, this is a good day. Okay, I'm looking for more requests. Let's get waiting for Sanju, choreographer. Let's see if he accepts my request. Boys are declining me today. I don't know why that is happening. Boys, I don't know, but you need to accept my requests. If not, you know what's coming. I'm kidding. I think I'm still connecting to wait. To cancel this because there was some connection problem. Likita Kantamneni. Let's see if she accepts my request. Girls are accepting my request. Girls are kind. Girls are sweet. So I think she will accept. See, I told you she'll accept. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm so surprised that you accepted my request.
You're so cute.
Thank you.
Oh, you're so cute.
Thank you. But I never expected this. God, I was still in a shock that you accepted me. Wow. Ritika Singh accepted me. Wow. Oh my God.
So cute. So cute. Where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh and I'm a big fan of your film Guru actually.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. And what do you
Yeah.
do?
I completed my 10th class.
Oh, you're a papa.
Yeah.
I'm like your auntie now. I'm old. 10th class
No,
is very
sister.
fruity.
Like sister, right?
Thank you, thank you. I was just kidding.
Oh, I was in shock still.
So cute. I love this reaction.
Thank
So,
you.
tell me, what are you doing now?
Actually, I have a weekend exam, so I was preparing and I was seeing you are in live, and I'm sending you request from the past 40 minutes.
Ayo, Papa. Sorry, I just saw it and I accepted. I saw your name. Your name
Yeah,
is very interesting. So,
yeah, I'm Likita.
so cute. And all the best for
Can
your exam.
Thank you. Can you please tell hi to my sister? Wait, let me
Yes,
call
yes,
her.
yes,
One,
sure.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
yeah, sure. I'll wait.
Panu, Ritika Singh Panu.
I don't think
Yeah,
so.
yeah. Here is my sister. Wow. Hello.
Hi.
Oh,
Hi. So
we were still
cute.
in a shock that you
I'm
can't.
living for this.
Seriously, we both are still in a shock that we are talking to you. Oh my God.
Hi. Who's the
We're
older
waiting for
sister
you
here?
next. Actually, I'm the oldest, but I'm short.
She looks like a papa. You're the older one. So what class are you in now?
She's entering 10th and I completed 10th.
Oh, 1 year difference then.
Ma'am, we're waiting for your next movie.
Thank you. Did you watch Oh My Kadable?
We just understand Telugu, so we don't really watch other
Okay. So if
languages
you don't
more.
understand Tamil, no problem. It's on Z5. Subtitles are there. So subtitles you
Oh,
put and you
sure.
watch the film.
Sure, ma'am.
You'll
Sure.
love it. It's a nice time pass, rom-com, full chill film.
We'll definitely see it. Screenshot.
Okay, you guys study well. All the best for your exams.
Thank you, ma'am. You.
And it was really nice talking to you. You guys are too cute. Stay blessed and keep smiling always.
Oh, yeah. Not more than you, ma'am. You look
Bye.
more cute than us.
Arey,
Bye, ma'am.
nahi. I'm now sisters. So not cute
Oh,
anymore, but
maybe
you're too
beautiful.
cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Bye. Lots of
Bye,
love.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
You wanna take a picture? You wanna take a photo?
Yeah, actually, I took a screenshot also.
Oh, you took. Let's pose now. I'll pose and you take a picture.
Oh, yeah. Pandu. Yeah. Pandu, ఇక్కడ నొక్కవా wait ma'am 1 minute you just post one
Pudincha?
నువ్వు ఇక్కడ
Okay, sure.
wait 1 minute నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నొక్కు నేను wait నువ్వు పోస్ట్ చేయకపోతే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ ప్రెస్ నేను కరీ
Got it?
yeah 1 minute ma'am
Okay, no problem. I'll take a screenshot and I'll send it to you. Send me or DM me. I'll send it to you. Oh, her connection is giving her a hard time.
one
Okay,
post
back.
Pandu yeah thank
Got it?
you
Thank you.
yeah
Bye. All the
bye
best. Bye.
thank you bye
Thank you. Bye. Oh God, the cutest reaction today. I love seeing reactions. So cute. I don't think I've said so cute so many times in my life till date. I'm going to talk to some more of you. Okay. What's happening? My request button is not working for some reason. Give me a second. No, my request button is not working. Something is wrong with my Instagram. So I'll take questions now. If my request button doesn't work in the next 5 minutes, I'll end the live. Still not working. I'm reading comments. I'm reading questions. How are you, Ritika ma'am? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? Ma'am, Dhoni is retired now. He announced. I know. It's so sad. It's so hard to believe because, like, when he won the World Cup, it was a big celebration. I was so emotional. I'm sure every Indian watching the match was very emotional. It was a huge deal. So I'm sad that this is happening. It's so hard to believe. And I don't watch the IPL, so I'll miss out on that also. But I think for Dhoni, sir, I'll watch the IPL also because he's a legend. I still can't believe he has retired. He has announced that today on Independence Day. It's just sad, but ena pandrathu. Such is life. Seri, no, unable to accept requests for some reason. Seri, na, I'll read some messages. Ask me if you want to ask me anything. We're mostly done. Accept my request, ma'am. I'm from Malaysia. I'm so sorry. I'm trying, but my request button is not working. Everything else is working fine, but my request button is not working for some reason. Don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm waiting for your motivation words, Ninnu Kuti. Arey, what motivation words I'll give? I'll just say it's a hard time for everybody. It's a hard time for the entire world, and we are still lucky that we have a roof over our heads. We have food to eat. We have water to drink. There are people who don't have any savings left anymore. They don't have food to eat. So just be grateful for what you have and try to help as many people as you can. Share what you're going through. Share your experience. Sharing makes you feel better. Sharing makes everything better. So share more and help people as much as you can, because this is a tough time for all of us. And there are some people who are having a harder time than all of us. So be there for them is all I'll say. And spread love. Don't spread hate. Spread love and keep smiling. And if you feel low, if you feel something in your heart, speak to people. DM me. Send me an honest DM and I'll reply. I reply to honest DMs. So if you send me an honest, a nice, a genuine message, I will respond to you. I promise. I'm reading more questions. Why always hoodies? I'm just obsessed with hoodies. I don't know. I cannot do without them. I've been wearing hoodies since I was a kutti papa. So I don't know. They're just my jam. Hoodies and tracks, if you can see, I cannot do. Plus, I was also dancing. So when you do like a hip hop move, if you wear loose clothes, it looks better. Your moves get accentuated more than they normally would. So hoodie is kind of my vibe. Even though it's hot, I'm dying, I'm sweating, but I will not step out of my hoodie. I'm obsessed. And I have this thing where I get obsessed with one piece of garment. So if I'm wearing a yellow hoodie, I'll keep wearing a yellow hoodie till I'm tired, till I'm bored of it. So I keep repeating my clothes. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. For an actor, it's kind of a bad thing because people keep seeing you in the same clothes and they're like, this day she was here, this day also she was here. So it's a little confusing, but who cares? Okay. मैं पढ़ रही हूँ आपकी questions. Your hair is too good. What's the secret and how do you maintain that? Oh, my hair. I mean, it's nice. I'm blessed, that's good, but it's also a task. Managing any kind of hair is a task. You just have to find your method. You have to find what works for you. Do your research. Find ingredients that work for your hair. Test. Do trial and errors, and you will find yours. And about the hair, I'll have to make a detailed video, a long one. Probably do a whole routine, and maybe that will help you guys. And I've also put up a post about curly hair today, so check it out in my IG. On my IG. Mm. Mm. I just want to meet you once in my life. Dear, I love you so much. Thank you, Ritika Ami. I want to meet you too. And I don't know where you live, but if I am in your state, whenever I'm shooting, shoot me a text and I might meet you. Who is your favorite Hollywood singer? Oh God, I have so many. I like Riri. I think Riri is extremely hot. I find Rita Ora very hot. She's very attractive. I like Halsey. How do you pronounce her name? Halsey. I find her very attractive. She's very cute. I love her song, the Graveyard and Nightmare. I love those two songs. They're very pop and they hit you here, so I like them. Okay, I'm reading more questions. Okay, I still can't accept videos, by the way. Your video requests, I'm unable to accept. Just letting you guys know. What is the secret of your beauty? There's honestly no secret. I've been having a very tough time with my skin and my hair. My hair is falling out. Not anymore. Like it's falling out a little. It's reduced. But lockdown के time पे ऐसे भर भर के बाल गिर रहे थे. My skin was breaking out everywhere. You will still see a few breakouts here and there, and I'm not wearing makeup because I don't like to, and I'm very sensitive, so I'm having a tough time. But thank you for calling me beautiful. It makes me feel good about myself. Okay, Ariana Grande, yes. I'm sorry, I forgot to say I really like her too. I really like her. I love her looks, the hair, the makeup, her music. She's a vibe. She's truly, you know that song, God is a Woman? She proved that. God is indeed a woman. She's stunning. Sorry, I forgot Ariana Grande. Nice hair makeup, vera level. Hey, na makeup panna mateda. Ipo no makeup, no hair, nothing. I've only put kajal because kajal makes me feel very. So I put kajal and nothing else. Oh, this live is going well. I'm interacting with you guys, and you guys are asking such good questions. There have been requests. So cool. Lockdown कैसा गया? मेरा अच्छा जा रहा है. I am somebody who thrives in self-isolation. I like being alone. I like being on my own. I'm okay without social interaction. So it's going good. And I'm connecting with my family more than I've ever connected with them before. And this feels different. I think now when they will call me for shoot, it will be very hard for me to leave because I'm so connected to them on a very deep level. Even if we're not having very emotional conversations, I'm just so connected. And my brother and I share this room. I want him to get out, but we share this room. I'm 26 years old. Which 26-year-old is still sharing a room with their sibling? Let me know. If you are, you have my sympathies. But anyway, I love him. He's my therapist, my counselor, my best friend, my brother. He's everything to me. So I'm having a good time. Stay safe, stay away from Corona, take care. Thank you, Vignesh, Nirmal, you too. Favorite scene from Oh My Kadavle? I have a few, but that scene where Arjun and Anu finish their bike trip and they come back home and then they hug, that was really good. That really hit me here. It was very spontaneous. We didn't really plan it, and we didn't plan a lot of our scenes. We actually hardly planned our scenes. But anyway, that was good. And that scene where Anu says sorry and Arjun says sorry also, I really like it. So those two are my favorites. And Vani's scene, when she says, I think she says, life la second chance you'll still get, cinema la, she does something, she nods her head. That was so natural, so well done, so beautiful. I think that was her best scene in the whole film. I loved her in that scene. So those three. Okay. I don't know Tamil and Telugu, so I'm waiting for you in Bollywood. Oh, Yeah, I speak Hindi too. Hindi is my first language. I do go for a lot of auditions and I do a lot of tests. Let's see if something works out. I have one Hindi film coming up, but I don't know when that's coming. We shot for that 3 years ago. So, by God's grace, if it happens, it should happen soon. And hopefully, I'm praying. You also pray for me. You'll see me very soon in a Hindi film. I think this live has been on for quite some time now. Now somebody's asking me, is Miley Cyrus not your favorite? Oh my God, Miley is hot. I love her voice, and she is a Sagittarius, so I relate to her on a spiritual level. I'm big on astrology memes. I love it. It's my forte. So I love Miley too. I love her music and I love her vibe. She's so herself. She's so free. And Miley is great too. What is your comfort food during lockdown? Love you, big fan. Oh, hi Adhirai. Comfort food. I have not been eating a lot of junk food because I don't have access to it. So comfort food, I'll say dal chawal. Dal chawal, bhaji roti, and chocolates. I'm trying to cut down, but I'm such a chocolate addict. I cannot stop. I cannot stop. If I see a chocolate, proof. Ye pura. This whole packet is inside right now. This whole packet. Because I cannot stop. And I want to, but I can't. This is one of my vices. You know, I don't have any other vice, but this, I just can't. So that has been my comfort food, I'd say. Good question, though. Thank you. Billie Eilish. I forgot her as well. Okay, I love her music. I love that song, Lovely. I love You Should See Me in a Crown. I love that. I love what else? I'm the bad guy. Duh. I love that too. I love her music. Some songs are very emotional and they hit me. So I keep them for my crying playlist. When I have to cry, I play those songs. So yeah, she's my favorite too. I think I love all female pop stars. All things female. Why are you showing Dairy Milk? Will you be advertising that company? I don't mind. If they give me the coin, if they give me the bag, if they give me the cash, I'll secure it. So please DM Dairy Milk and let me know that they have a brand ambassador here. Let them know. Do me a favor. Everybody go DM Cadbury. I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Don't spam them. They'll probably block me saying कौन है ये जो हमको तंग कर रही है. But just kidding. Okay, last few questions. I've been saying this since quite some time now, but you guys are just being so kind today. I don't feel like leaving. Have you seen Dil Bechara movie? Yes, I saw it the first day. I saw it the minute it released. I think a few minutes after that, and it was very difficult to watch. I felt very bad seeing Sushant Singh Rajput on screen. He was so talented. He was truly very talented. He could dance, he could do martial arts, he could do stunts, he could act really well. He was a very good looker. He was very intelligent. He was a very good speaker. I can go on and on about him. It just feels sad that he's not with us anymore. God knows what happened. A lot of stories have been coming out in the media now, but I really, really hope that wherever he is, he's in a peaceful place and that he's feeling love, the love that we all have for him, the love that the whole world has for him. And I'll keep him and his family in my prayers. And you guys do the same. I think his family and all his fans need a lot of comfort and positivity. So let's try and give them that. But yeah, it was a very sad experience, and he was damn good in the film. Big loss for all of us. Okay, moving on. Do you like Zayn Malik? I like him. He's cute, but he is not really my vibe. I like people like Khal Drogo. I like people like Raphael from Jane the Virgin, Justin Baldoni. I like people like Henry Cavill, Superman. That's more my vibe. Athletic. Thoda, that vibe I like. But he's cute. He's very cute. And I like Gigi Hadid though. His girlfriend. She's a cat. She's so hot. She's so pretty. And I'm so happy for them. Their baby is coming soon. I think the whole world is excited. And I am all the more excited. And I need to calm down. Okay. I think I'll have to go now. Because my dad and my brother, they're both home. and there's going to be a lot of noise around me, so I'll disconnect before that. It was very nice talking to you guys. I loved interactions with you on my video requests. There were some reactions that were so sweet. Your questions were so good today, and I hope I can interact with you more often on my Instagram lives, and I'll see you all soon. Please stay strong mentally, physically, stay healthy, eat good food, take care of your immunity, and I will see you very soon on my Instagram posts and my Instagram stories. Take care, Dylan. Bye bye. See you. My dad is here. Papa, hi, bolo, मैं live हूँ. Okay, on this note, bye bye.